Luxury meets military. Introducing the Rezvani tank. The toughest, most powerful, extreme sport utility vehicle on Earth, with an exterior design inspired by armored military vehicles. Its muscular proportions, wide stance, and bold silhouette, tank has an undeniable presence. The arched and bulging fenders exude strength and purpose. The tank features unique, captivating LED headlights. The distinctive taillights appear only when activated. The grille lights up to make a bold statement. Rezvani also offers Tank Military Edition, a bulletproof armored model equipped with state-of-the-art security features. With the latest in ballistics armor protection, housed between exterior body panels, the inside cabin will protect the occupants. The latest in ballistic glass technology absorbs a bullet's energy. The flexible polymer inner layer completely protects the occupants from impact debris. The armored undercarriage protects critical components such as the self-sealing fuel tank. Military-grade wheel band technology allows the vehicle to be driven even if tires are damaged or destroyed by gunfire. Key components such as the radiator are protected by angled armored steel. The ram steel bumper and mounted winch make your tank even more unstoppable. A thermal night vision camera allows the driver to see in darkness using thermal heat signatures. Tank offers an escape hatch, allowing safe escape from the vehicle. Deter any assailant with the flip of a switch. Electrified door handles will shock any intruders. A tracker in hot pursuit of the tank is no match for the ultimate security feature. Vanish, activating your smokescreen. Turn your tank into an impenetrable vault by switching on the magnetic deadbolts. Alert cars to move out of your way by using strobe lights and piercing sirens. The advanced police intercom system consists of an external microphone and a speaker, allowing the driver to safely communicate with the outside without having to lower the bulletproof windows. Gas masks stored in the tank ensure occupants are protected from tear gas, pepper spray, biological and other agents. Motion-activated cameras continuously record activity. Store valuable items in a discreet safe in your center console. First aid kits and hypothermia blankets are stored in the trunk. Features such as an easy access tailgate and a spacious trunk with fold-down rear seats provide plenty of space for gear. Standard Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with powerful built-in navigation system that allow drivers to track their road progress and get back to their location even when map data is not available. Rezvani tank is tough on the outside, but soft on the inside. The interior balances luxury with comfort and practicality. The smooth Napa leather seats have sport bolsters to provide additional support during spirited driving. During your design session, your expert Rezvani consultant will help you in choosing from a numerous collection of seat styles, colors, patterns, and bespoke designs, making your tank one of a kind and distinctly yours. The tank's state-of-the-art suspension provides both off-road dominance and on-road comfort. Different suspension packages are available to satisfy any taste. These adjustable shocks can be tuned softer or more firm to suit the driver's taste. The tank feels planted and secure around corners, giving you the confidence and pleasure to drive harder. The suspension allows you to conquer the toughest off-road trails while providing a comfortable and compliant ride around town. The Rezvani tank can be optioned with 5 different engine options, including 300 horsepower V6, 500 horsepower V8, or the top-of-the-line 1,000 horsepower Demon V8. An 8-speed transmission and heavy-duty axles connect the power to the road. Clients can also opt for a sport exhaust to provide an exhilarating sound. The Rezvani tank looks like it's out of this world and designed to conquer it. Make your own path.